In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT stuck, sending responses or broken message stream. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can interrupt the message stream and cause responses to freeze. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router to refresh your connection. Likewise, log out of your account and log in back. This helps reset your session and can often fix broken message streams. Next, clear cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data. Checking for all these options. Click on delete data. Likewise, click on this option site settings. Click on the option view permission. Search for ChatGPT over here. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Then navigate to the section extension. If you have enabled any extensions such as VPNs or ad blockers or privacy tools, disable them or remove them. They may block parts of the response stream. Next up, check the server status of ChatGPT. To do that, open a new tab, navigate to the website status.openai.com. Now expand ChatGPT. Make sure all these are working properly. In case there are any issues, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. These are some fixes for ChatGPT stuck, sending responses or broken message stream. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.